Our lectures today about communicate with confidence, building skills for effective communication. What is effective communication? Effective communication is about more than just exchanging information. It's about understanding the emotion and intentions behind the information, as well as being able to clearly convey a message. You need to also listen in a way that gains the full meaning of what's being said and makes the other person feel heard and understood. There are actually 5 types of communication: verbal, nonverbal, written, listening, and visual. Verbal communication. Verbal communication occurs when engaged in speaking with others. It can be face-to-face, over the telephone, via Skype or Zoom, etc. Some verbal engagements are informal, such as chatting with a friend over coffee or in the office kitchen, while others are more formal, such as a scheduled meeting. Regardless of the type, it is not just about the words, it is also about the caliber and complexity of those words, how we string those words together to create an overarching message, as well as intonation, pitch, tone, cadence, etc., used while speaking and when occurring face to face. While the words are important, they cannot be separated from nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication, what we do while we speak, often says more than the actual words. Nonverbal communication includes facial expressions, posture, eye contact, hand movement, and touch. For example, if you are engaged in a conversation with your boss about your cost-saving idea, it is important to pay attention to both their words and their nonverbal communication. Your boss might be in agreement with your idea verbally, but their nonverbal cues, avoiding eye contact, sighing, scrunched up face, etc., indicate some different. Here, exercise about what emotion do you see in each image. This person is happy. This person is angry. This person is surprised. This person is laughing. This person is sad. 3. Written communication. Written communication is any written message that two or more people exchange. Written communication is typically more formal but less efficient than oral communication. Listening. The act of listening does not often make its ways onto the list of types of communication. Active listening, however, is perhaps one of the most important types of communication, because if we cannot listen to the person sitting across from us, we cannot effectively engage with them. Think about a negotiation. Part of the process is to assess what the opposition wants and needs. Without listening, it is impossible to assess that. which makes it difficult to achieve one outcome. Visual communication. Visual communication is the use of visual elements, convey ideas and information which include but are not limited to sign, typography, drawing, graphic design, illustration, industrial design, advertising, animation, and electronic resources. This style of communication relies on the way one's brain perceives the outside images